Hello and welcome back to the day 3 of 45-day AI Tools Bootcamp. I am Piyush Jalwani and I am your AI tool guide. I have spent working with digital tools, marketing strategies and branding. And now I am here to help you master AI tools that can completely transform the way you are work and create. So here we can start. First of all, we need to understand what is Notion. Notion is basically your personal productivity assistant that lives inside Notion, helping you organize and create like a never before. It's like having a smart assistant that can write, summarize, brainstorm and plan all in the one place. So what exactly Notion AI can do for you? It can write summaries for long documents and articles, draft or refine your email, meeting notes and blog posts, generate creative ideas for your project, create powerful outlines and to-do list, help you with research and brainstorming. It's an all-in-one tool so to make your content creation, organization planning more efficient and creative. So here are some key features of Notion AI. Notion AI is a built for both creators and professionals. Let's take a look at some key features. Here is a Notion AI writing assistant. Text generation instantly create high quality draft, captions, blog post and more, summarizing automatically summaries and long notes for a research into concise and digestible content. Idea generation, need creative ideas for your business or content. Notion AI can help you with that. Task management and turn simple task into detailed action plan and to-do list with just few words. Notion AI in action. How can we use this in action? So we can write our summaries, we can write, organize your task management projects and notes, automatically generates ideas and outlines for your project and keep track of all AI tools you are learning about and your progress. So now you may be wondering how will Notion AI help you in this bootcamp. So simply it will be your personal assistant throughout this 45 days, help you stay track on and efficient while you work through each task and project. So let me show you how Notion AI is easy to use and how can we use in real. It will be in real time implementation. So here we can search Notion. We can go on the first website which is called notion.com. We will go with a get Notion free. Today you have now it's time to log in. So we'll simply click on the Google and we'll go with my mail ID. It's my not a personal mail ID, so it is be like I'm using. I create a new mail ID for that. Now here a new website which is called notion.so. So here Notion will ask us how do you want to use Notion for your work, for your personal life, for your school. So we will click on our for personal life and maybe for work. So we'll go with a for personal life. We'll click on the continue. How do you want to use Notion? So we will click on my on and we can also click on the. So here we have some kind of. Notion will ask you what's on your mind, select as many you want. So we'll click on the project tracking, books and media, career building, personal finance and habit tracking. So we'll go with that. I select only 5. You can select all of them or maybe 1, 2, whatever you want. So here Notion will take some time and create some kind of private pages here. We will create a playlist for a Notion, because Notion is a very vast tool and it is very good. It be like we can use it a second brain. So I'll go with a second brain. Okay, fine. I'll click here and go on the full width small text, and I'll select a serif font. Here we can go with that. I will just minimize it. Okay, here we can write our idea. I want to create an social media plan for next 40 days. Create an So here I'll click on the generate. Notion will create goals, strategy, and weekly breakdown for a week 1 to 2 awareness, week 2 3 to 4 education, and it will create whole the summary and final notes we can create here. After that, I'll click on the new one and write down AI. So I'll write some kind of text here. I will ask to the Notion AI bot. So I'll ask a simple question: how to make a voiceover. It will think. Okay. So here are some kind of professional guide to create a professional voiceover step-by-step guide. So first of all, we need to understand preparation, and it can give us many ideas. It can give us many steps here. We are not reading steps right now. We will learn about how to use Notion. So for today's, we can generate any kind of content. We can generate any kind of idea. Like I have an idea to become a millionaire with uploading reels. Can you create complete roadmap for that? So here it will create complete roadmap for building $1 million from a reels business. So first of all, in phase 1 foundation, phase 2 growth, and in the phase 3 it will create our monetization, scaling, and we will create some kind of millions of dollars. It is basic idea. You can brainstorm, you can generate any kind of idea, you can write summaries here. You can use it as a second brain, so it will can create any kind of content here. So I'll write in a simple thing. I'll open. So I'll open a new page here in a private. I'll create my second brain to organize my data here. Okay, I'll give this kind of icon, or I'll take icon from here. I'll add icon here, and then I'll go with a full width. You can change cover by yourself to create with the help of kind of Canva and all. You can download also cover for your Notion page. So I'll upload a simple minimalist page, like I'll go with that James Webb Telescope. Now I want an investment planner for myself. So can you create a table for that? It will think, it will give answer. It will create an investment planning template here that we can track easily. You can use it as second brain with well organizing your data, your brain. Like if I want to write a journal for myself for my daily routine, so I'll write here a journal. I'll write a toggle for that here, and today is the day, uh, 0405 2025. Today is Sunday, so I'll write here Sunday. First of all, I want to go with a full width small text, and I'll change the font. Then I'll minimize the slide, and I'll write next day 05 2025 Monday. Sunday here, Monday here, and I'll just click on that. I'll write my day today. So here I write simple summary of the today, what I did on the Sunday, and I'll ask AI to continue writing. I'll think, reading the page. After that, I come back to home and start studying for my exam. I complete my physics chapter and solved some numerical problems. I feel good, but about about my preparation and hope to do well in the upcoming exam. So I'll accept this, and I'll write, make it longer that I want. I'll write my simple routine for that. And in the evening, I had a video call with my study group. We discussed some difficult topics and cleared our doubts together. It was very helpful and made me feel more confident about the examination. So you can see how AI can write your ideas, write your routine, or maybe it can do far better things. Today, you have learned how to use Notion AI to boost your productivity and creativity. We have taken our first step in transforming how we work and create tomorrow. Well, how to create AI templates with some powerful tools. So stay tuned for that.